All right. So I was just checking Reddit and I saw a few posts about AUR getting attacked. There's a malware campaign running in AUR repositories. So there are many packages being compromised or, basically being malware, injected. Basically, these are the packages. Someone compiled a list, but this is not the complete list. There are many others. I think this is above 450. So there are many, let's say, popular packages like Wayland Static Whisper. I think it's TTS, whatever. Zathura. There are some like Tunar Nextcloud plugin. That's what people use. There are others. Basically, people do use this AUR, right? A lot of Python 2 dependencies. Lots of Python dependencies, by the way, and OpenUI 5, few Nginx, Nexus Bean, by the way, NeoVim, I don't know, plugin or stuff like that. Monochrome used to use that. Uh, Fortunately, I don't. And there are other like Linux tool, Linux blah blah blah. K report, KT, and so on. Okay, like there are few, and there are many packages that people do use on their daily basis, and they're compromised. There are malware inside it, and just like that Apple Music desktop, which I used to use, and I don't anymore. I stopped using it about a few months ago, so that's good. And I can check, like, if you see, the last time I updated my system was I tried to do updates for the past few days, and my internet's been really slow, so the update was not quite complete. So my last updated system, the last time it actually updated was June 1st. Right now it's June 12th, and since then I've been trying to update. I haven't been able to update. I uninstalled a few packages, but that's about it. Right now I can also check the AUR packages explicitly installed in my PC. Can do something like QQM, or to see. Right, these are the packages that I have installed on my system. I can check. All right, YAY through AUR, Warp Terminal, Visual Studio Code, Proton Op Qt, Python input, Google Chrome, Brave Bean, Anti-Gravity, stuff like that, Local Send Bean. And I want to check if any of these are in the list or not. And someone actually commented here. There is for anyone wishing to avoid this, do my script testing is for direct comparison. $494 packages, by the way. I think this is more updated. FFmpeg. Yeah, this is more updated, I guess. Auto login. Damn. ALVR. Yeah, lots of packages, like popular packages. let's say I want to run this package. I mean, I want to run this script. I mean, what this does is it compares your system packages with this. So with this, right? I guess. Yeah. Let's run it and you'll have an idea. I don't think I have any infected packages. Even if I have some, I have not updated it, for the last 12 days. So I should not be infected at all, even if I have that packages installed. I'm gonna run this script. Let's see. Any affected? None. No known compromised packages are installed. Even if I did have, I would have just removed it and be done, because that's why I don't update my system very frequently. I just do it on my own. Just today I happened to see this news or whatever, and yeah, I try to make a video about it. Make sure this reaches someone, to do at least check their AUR, check if your packages are compromised or not, and do not sit there on your PC and try to update your system, every second, every minute, every day. Just keep it, alive for a few days. If you want some packages to be updated, like Firefox or Vim or a console or anything like that, you can just update, those packages, individual packages. You don't need to update your full system, by the way. Yeah, that's about it. That's how you check the infected packages. And this is not the final list, but still it just gives us the idea that the known packages. And I believe these packages that I have installed, um, I don't think they might get infected, but I'm pretty sure these are kind of safe for me. All right.